Hello everyone, welcome to LFI Educates Accountancy class of commerce. Since we are doing company accounts, so we have did some book questions. Today we are going to solve question number 5, that is the oversubscription question. Okay, so here how we'll know the question is oversubscription? C is given Mohit Glass Limited issued 20,000 share. That means the company issued 20,000 share of rupees 100 each at rupees 110. That means when the company issued is 100 each, but it become 110 at that time. Okay, that means what? Out of 100, the issue price is 100, but it's become 110. That is 10 rupees excess. That is called premium. The company issued the share at premium. This excess amount. Okay. So how much the company issued? Company issued 20,000. Company issued 20,000 share. Question number 5 of page number 65. Okay. So, but the application was received 24,000. That means what? The company issued 20,000 share, but the publics are more interested. So public apply for 24,000. That is 4,000 is excess, and 4,000 will be rejected. That means how much company need? Company need only 20,000. So 20,000 company will take. That excess amount will be rejected. Is mentioned in the question. I'll read the question for you. Is given Mohit Glass Limited issued 20,000 share of rupees 100 each at rupees 110 per share, payable rupees 30 on application, 40 on allotment including premium, 20 on first call and 20 on final call. The application was received for rupees 24,000, sorry, for 24,000 share and allotment 20,000 share, and rejected 4,000 share. That means company allotted only 20,000 share out of 24. The excess 4,000 share is rejected to the public. Okay. So record the journal entries. So you are asked to prepare the journal entries to record the books in the company's account. Okay, make the format of the account. Write a date, particulars, LF, amount in rupees, that is debit, credit, amount in rupees. Write a journal entries. Okay. So application 30. So application receive how much? 24,000 share. So write a share application account debit, application account debit, that is 24,000 share into 30 on application. So 3 4 12, 067, 1 2 3 4, that is 7,20,000 to share. Sorry, here we have to prepare the bank account, because here prepare journal entries, not cash book. Cash book is not given, so bank account we have to prepare. Bank account debit. So whenever cash book is given, so at the time only due entry. Okay. Bank account debit, how much received? 24,000 into 30, 7,20,000 to share application account. Okay. So write the amount here, 7,20,000. Being the narration type, same narration. Being the share application money was received on 24,000 share at the rate of rupees 30 each. Okay. Now, at the time of transfer, the company will transfer only 20,000 share. The remaining share will be rejected. That is, pay back to the shareholder. So how will give the entry? We'll give the entry like this: share application account debit, share application account debit to share capital account to bank account. That is a rejected amount to bank account. Okay. So how much the company receive at the time of application? 24,000 into 30. That is 7,20,000. Then how much the company will transfer in the share capital? That is 30,000. Okay, that is 6 lakh. Okay, how much the refund? 4,000 into 30. 4 3 is 12. That is 1,20,000 will be refunded. So the entry will be same. Narration will be being the share application money transferred to share capital account and excess money were refunded. Okay. Now for allotment. In allotment, the rate is given 40 rupees and the excess 10 rupees is included on allotment. That is a premium amount. So we have to show the premium entry on allotment. I will show. Write like this: share allotment account debit, share allotment account debit to share capital account to securities premium account. So how much the company issued? 20,000. 20,000 into 40, that is 8 lakh. Okay. Here the original rate is 30 for allotment, that is 6 lakh, and here 20,000 into 10 rupees for premium. The premium entry will be here. That will be 2 lakh. So what is the narration? Being the share allotment money due with premium. Being the share allotment money due with premium. That will be the premium entry. Now for allotment, that is for the application. Now we are giving the entry of allotment. Okay. Write a bank account debit. Bank account debit to share allotment account. Bank account debit to share allotment account. Amount will be 8 lakh and 8 lakh, because the allotment how much received? 8 lakh. Okay. So give the entry of 8 lakh at the time of allotment, at the time of receipt. So the narration will be being the share allotment money receipt. Okay, that is the allotment entry. Now give the entry of first call 20 rupees and final call 20 rupees. Same entry. For first call, what entry to give? Share first call account debit to share capital account. Okay. We give the entry here. For first call, share first call account debit, first call account debit to share capital account. If you multiply 20,000 into 20, it will be 4 lakh. 4 lakh. 4 lakh. Okay? That is for the first call. Right? Being the same narration being the share first call money due. Now for the final call. Sorry, for the first call, second entry, that is bank account. Right here. Bank account debit. Bank account debit to share first call account. What is the entry? Amount will be same because the transfer entry amount will be same. How much due? That amount will get 4 lakh and 4 lakh. Okay? Being the share first and final call money, first call money received. Because final call, we have to prepare the final call also here. So give the entry of final call here. Okay, give the entry of final call. So I will give the entry of final call, same process. Share final call account debit. Right here, share final call account debit. Share final call account debit to share capital account. Okay, same amount, that is final call also 20 rupees. So if you multiply 20,000 into 20, same 4 lakh. Put here 4 lakh, again 4 lakh. Okay, narration being the share final call money due. There is a due entry. Now give the receive entry, same process. Bank account debit. Bank account debit to share final call account. Okay, amount will be the same. Four lakh. Being the share final call money received. Being the share final call money received. This is the final call entry. Okay, that is question number 5. Now we'll do question number 6, that is called sin areas. So question number 6, question number 8. Take out question number 8. In question number 8 is given Sumit Machine Limited issue 50,000 share of rupees 100 each at a premium of 5%. The 105% will be 5 rupees. That is, face value is 100, but at the, including premium it will become 105. The share was payable 25 on application, 50 on allotment, 30 on first and final call. The issue was fully subscribed and money was duly received, except the final call on 400 share. The premium was adjusted on allotment. That means the premium is adjusted on allotment. So we have to prepare journal entries. We'll prepare the journal entries of question number 8. Okay, make the format. Question number 8, journal entries. Okay, so I will prepare question number 8, journal entries. At the time of application. No opposition question, but this is a question of Colson areas. How will you know the Colson areas? See, at last is given. The issue was fully subscribed and money was duly received except the final column 400 share. That means some of the shareholder of holding 400 share did not pay the first and final call amount. Okay, 400 share. So we have to give the first entry, that is for application. We know that the formula: first bank account debit, to share application account. Bank account debit to share application account is given 50,000 into 25. Application rate is 25. So multiply 50,000 share into 25. 5 5 is 25, 5, 5 2 is 10, 11, 12. This 12 lakh 50,000 dash 12 lakh 50,000. That is for the application. There is in same paying the share application money received. Okay. Now transfer entry. That amount will be transferred to the share capital account. At a share capital account debit. Share application account debit to share capital account. Share application account debit to share capital account. Share application account debit to share capital account. Amount how much? Same amount will put. Okay, being the share application money transfer to share capital account. Okay. Now for the allotment. In allotment, there is a premium of ₹5. Okay, allotment is 50 rupees. So how will you give the entry? First entry will be due entry. Share allotment account debit. Share allotment account debit 50,000 into 50. So 2,50,000 to share capital account 50,000 into 45 to securities premium account. $50,000 into 5 rupees. Okay. 5 5 25 5 5 4 the 20 22 okay, 25 lakhs. And here we are doing share capital. We have did question number 8 in the last class. Today we will do the share forfeiture entries. Okay, what is called share forfeiture entries? Share forfeiture means cancellation of calls in arrears. Since some of the shareholder did not pay the last payment or allotment or first and final call amount, so that amount company will forfeited that share. His or her share company will forfeit it and company will sell to the another person. That means company will give the message, will give mail that please pay your due. If you did pay your due, that share will be forfeited. That entry today we will going to learn in question number 11. See question number 11. Naman Limited issued 20,000 share of rupees 100 each, payable rupees 25 on application, 30 on allotment, 25 on first call and the balance on final call. That is balance on final call how much? That is 20. How will know? 25 application, 30 allotment. That is 55. 25 first call, 60, 70, 80. The remaining 22 to the final call. Duly received Anuba who holding 200 share did not pay the allotment and calls. And Kumkum holding 100 share did not pay the both the calls. These share were forfeited. Okay, this share lastly had forfeited. So what we'll do? The first entry are same. Question number 11C. Okay. First entry will be same as before. That is bank account debit. Bank account debit to share application account. Bank account debit to share application account. Amount is 20,000 into 25. That will be 55 lakh. That will be 5 lakh. 5 lakh. If you multiply 20,000 into 25. Okay. Being the share application money receipt. Being the share application money receipt. Okay. Now we'll get transfer entry. Same entry. Share application account debit to share capital account. Okay. Amount will be same. 5 lakh dash 5 lakh. Being the share application money transfer to share capital account. Okay, that is for the application. Now we'll give the entry for allotment. Right. Due entry allotment. Right. Share allotment account debit share allotment account debit to share capital account. Okay, the amount is given 30. So 3 into 20, 6 lakh. 6 lakh. Okay, being the share allotment money due. Next at bank account debit. Bank account debit to share allotment account. Okay, but here we minus 200. which is not paid by Anuba. So how much here? 19,800 into how much? Allotment 30. So why 19,800? Out of 20,200 share is not paid. So if you multiply, it 3 is 24, 4, 198, 3. This one 29. That is 5,94,000. Okay, at the time of allotment receipt, the companies received 5,94,000. Same narration being the share allotment money received with calls in areas. Okay. Now for first call also, who had 200 share failed to pay the allotment and calls also, and first call also 100 call. The 200 plus 100, that will be okay. First and final will be 300 share. So the entry will be share first call account debit that will be 20,000 into 25, 5 lakh. To share capital account, that is due entry, okay, being the share first call money due. Now give the entry of receive entry, right? Bank account debit, okay, to share first call account. Okay, so here will be 19,700 into 25. To the 55, 3 to the 6, 7,500. So if you minus 7,500 here, the amount will be 4,92,500. Same 4,92,500 for the receipt of first call. Okay. So right, being the first and final call money received, that is for the first and final call. Now for the final call also same 20 rupees. So give the entry of final call also. Okay, final call 20 rupees, the share is 20 rupees, but share final call account debit $20,000 into 20 to the 4 lakh. So final call account debit to share capital account. Okay, 4 lakh. Narration same, being the share final call money due. Now write a bank account debit, that is the receive entry. Bank account debit, how much? 19,700 into 20 rupees to share final call account. So 300 into 20, 6,000. If you minus it, 3,94,000. 3,94,000. That will be the entry of final call. Okay. Narration same, being the share final call money receipt. Okay. Now we'll give the forfeiture entry. What is the meaning of forfeiture? Cancellation of calls money. So where the cancellation calls money? In allotment, okay, in first call and in final call. So we write the share capital account debit. Share capital account debit. How much share total? 300 into 10 rupees. So 300 into 100 rupees. So 30,000, that is a forfeiture entry to share allotment account. 200 into in allotment 200 into 30. 6,000 to share first call account. 300 into 25. 7,500 and to share final call. 300 into 20, 6,000. So what will the balance amount there? That the balance will be share for future. To share for future account. Okay? 6 plus 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19,500. That will be 10,500. Share forfeiture amount will be 10,500. That is called being the share, being the 300 share where forfeited. That is the forfeited amount. Okay? I will try to solve more question in the next video. For that, let's practice up to question number 12. Okay, this is very important chapter for the final exam. For that, thank you very much.